This video will help you to learn how to use Google Meet in order to communicate with your students and to make a live lesson with them. Google offers this app, and it was before called Google Hangout. They changed it to Google Meet, and they actually separated. They made the video calls called Meet and the chatting only called Chat. So why Google Meet? Google Meet is recommended for Google app or G Suite schools because Google Meet has access to your Google Drive, to your contacts, and in the couple of coming 2 days, they will allow you to record your meetings with your students and keep it for later offline, available for your students to repeat the lesson. Or if the student couldn't join you immediately or on time, they can always rewatch the video and learn from you. So how do we start? I click Meet, and thankfully I have 2 volunteers to do that, and I will start a meeting. Your meeting will be a lesson. So it will be about, let's say, marketing. Okay, and I will click continue. You can call it marketing, you can call it virtual school 1, you can call it whatever you want. So as you can see, that's my camera is on, my microphone is on as well. I will click join now. So now when I click join now, I'm in the meeting. So how do I add people? You can see this. I add, and I will write the first volunteer. It's loading. So see, now you have access to your Google contacts. You don't need to copy and paste. And then I will add my son, who volunteered as well. And I said send invite. Now, the volunteers will get, or the students now, they will get emails asking them to join the meeting. So they will get a blue button to click on it, which is called join. And then they will appear here in the screen, and you will see later what will happen. So now the first one is Layan. Hi, Layan.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. So Layan is here. Layan, see this chat button? I will try to chat with you while I'm explaining something. So as a student, if you have a question, you just drop a question in the chat please, and you don't need to just interrupt me while talking, right? So I would say,
Okay.
like, let's try it while I'm doing the question. Okay, fine. And we have the other volunteer here, another student I have. What's your name?
Hadi.
Oh, you are Hadi,
Hi.
my son. How are you?
Good.
Okay. So now the important thing, how can I teach them other than them seeing my face? Can you see my face? Your screen, do you see me talking?
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
So now I want to share with you my screen. So you see the PowerPoint that I will share it with you, right? Do you see a PowerPoint now? You just see my face, right?
Yes.
Very good. So how do I share my screen? I click here at the bottom of the screen, and I will click present your entire screen, and I will click share, and now we will see if they can see my screen. When you have when your screen starts looking like that, you are presenting to everyone. So here are the students, and you are presenting your screen. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Can you see my PowerPoint or Google Slides?
Yeah.
What is it about?
Yes. Marketing.
Marketing. Very good. So now I'm teaching you about marketing. Do you know marketing? Do you know anything about this topic?
kind of.
Okay, so that's how we communicate with our students virtually. We can explain, we can share our screens, we can communicate, and it's very easy because we have access to everything. Now, another thing I want to teach you right now, because I'm sharing my screen, you can always open a website called AWW App Online Whiteboard. So now this is a digital whiteboard where you can write, you can click text here and you can start typing. Do you see anything I'm typing? Oh, I didn't click A, sorry.
Only a line.
Yeah, so now I'm typing. Let me write something meaningful. Hello. Okay,
Hi.
you can use lines, you can use markers, you can change the color of the marker, you can erase. Like for example, if I want to draw something, like illustrate something for the students, or just like you are a math teacher and you want to write an equation. If you are familiar with smart boards, you will it's exactly the same. That's all for today, for this video. Hope it will help you. So let us finish the communication. When I click stop presenting, the students will no longer see my screen. Do you see my screen anymore? Do you see it? No, you just see me, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And then when I finish the call, when I want to finish the meeting, I just click leave the call. If you want, for any reason, just any accident happen and you want the students not to see you anymore, I just click stop the camera over here so they cannot see me anymore, right? And or if my son decided to scream all of the sudden, not you, Hadi, the younger one, if he decided to scream all of the sudden, or if you, Layan, your brother came into your room suddenly, you didn't expect it, and you don't want the teacher to hear it, you just click mute over here. And that's how we prevent others from hearing us during the meeting. That's all. Thank you so much for volunteering to do that. And that's all for this video. I will leave the call right now. Thank you. Always stay very good. And